Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the sewing part of a princess that bustier tutorial that I made earlier. If you've not watched the video, I will link it in the description box. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So here's our pattern. I cut it out on the fabric, adding half an inch allowance just at that side. I didn't add on the neckline, I didn't add on the armhole, but the choice is yours. You can add on the armhole, you can add also at the neckline, then at the other part and at the side front I added for my seam allowance and the others. Then after that I went ahead to iron it with an interfacing. Then the one then I cut it less than half an inch at the side because I want to join it. I don't want to join the warden with my material, so that's why I cut it that way. You can join yours as well. I did it because I don't want it to be bulky. Then the next thing is to mark out where I'll place my warden. It will be from the under bust. I'll just mark it out. So I'll use my scissors to notch it. I'll do the same thing at the side front, like you see me do. Just place it and mark it, then you notch so that you will place your warden at the right place. Just make sure you cut your warden. If you don't want to cut the way I did, just cut it the way you feel is okay for you. Then when attaching, when gumming, gum it with hemming gum so that it will stay. Gum it with hemming gum because the glue on this warden is not that strong. That's if you are cutting the same way I did. The glue on that warden is not that strong, so use hemming gum to make it strong. Join all together. Now on my sewing machine we are going to join this together. Let's see what we'll have. So we are joining with half an inch. Now when joining, be very patient. While you join, be patient. Do not rush. You're not going to anywhere. Just be patient. These notches helped a lot because without the notches I would not have been able to, flip this. So when you get to a point where you will lift it up so that you'll be able to join it. Just be patient at this stage. Just be patient. You're not rushing to anywhere. Just be patient and you will get your you will get it very well. And please do not draw anything. Do not draw anything. If you draw it, one will be longer than the other. Just patiently place it well, and so you will get your results perfect, just like I'm doing. So if you're yet to subscribe, please hit on the subscription button right away. Please, I'm begging you. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other part. The first part I joined together was way easier than this part. So this part you have to be very careful and join it together. Very careful. Very careful and patient enough. So that's it. The next thing I'll do now is to notch these curved edges. Notch it well, then iron it out. I hope this video was helpful. Please drop a comment in the comment section about what you feel about this video. Let's see in my next video.